Are you still spending hours on tasks AI can do in seconds? The way we work is changing fast, and those who adapt early win big. In this video, we're breaking down the most effective AI tools professionals are using right now to save time, boost output, and make smarter decisions without the burnout. Every day, professionals waste hours on repetitive tasks, writing emails, sorting files, summarizing documents, and switching between apps. This fragmentation kills focus and productivity. That's where AI comes in, not just as a tool, but as an accelerator. First, ChatGPT. Think of it as your personal assistant for writing, brainstorming, and decision support. Use it to draft emails in your tone, summarize long reports, generate meeting agendas, brainstorm ideas on demand. No need for perfect prompts. Just start with natural language. The more context you give, the better the results. Next up, Notion AI. It's an all-in-one workspace with powerful AI built in. Here's what it can do. Summarize messy notes into clean action steps. Auto-generate task lists from project plans. Answer questions based on your notes. Draft or refine content inside your workspace. It turns information chaos into clarity. Then there's Zapier. It connects your favorite tools like Google Sheets, Gmail, Slack, and Trello, and automates actions between them. Set up workflows like auto-send files to clients after form submissions, update task boards when emails arrive, schedule posts or emails without lifting a finger. It's no-code automation made simple. Before AI tools, manual work, scattered focus, constant context switching. After automation, clear systems, deep work hours protected. The result? Less noise, more impact. AI won't replace you. Before AI tools, manual work, scattered focus, constant context switching. After automation, clear systems, deep work hours protected. The result? Less noise, more impact. AI won't replace you, but professionals using AI will outpace those who don't. Start with one tool. Automate one workflow. Measure the time you get back. If you're ready to build smarter workflows with AI, we cover real use cases, deep tool walkthroughs, and strategies that actually save time. The future of work isn't coming. It's already here. Let's master it.